Welcome to TfL Pathway, TfL's delivery methodology. This is part of a suite of movie clips designed to give users a better understanding of how to use certain components of the methodology. All components are accessed via the TfL Pathway homepage. Search Pathway on Source to first find the Pathway source page. From there, you can access the link to the TfL Pathway Home. This clip introduces the Pathway Product Management Plan, sometimes known as the PPMP, and the SharePoint tool used to quickly generate one for your project, program, or delivery portfolio. As this diagram depicts, the Pathway Product Management Plan is the central planning document that every project, program, or delivery portfolio must produce to successfully manage the work. The plan is underpinned by the TfL Pathway base reference materials that are the life cycles, the product matrices, and the handbooks. The Pathway Product Management Plan is itself a product listed on the product matrix. It is essentially a list of all the agreed products, and once signed off, it becomes a contract for delivery for all concerned, stipulating what does and what does not need to be produced to successfully deliver the work, who needs to do it, and when it needs to be done. In order to prepare a version of this plan, it is necessary to decide which products are needed appropriate to the work in question. This could be done by viewing the product matrix and opening each individual product description to check the applicability statement. For example, the project requirements applicability statement shown here that indicates this product is applicable for all projects. It also involves scrolling to the end of each product description to ensure that the roles listed on the RACI chart for each product would have a say in the decision. With the list of 50-odd products on the project matrix, this could take some time. To make this process more efficient for delivery teams, Pathway has converted the information within each individual product description into a central questionnaire that will ask relevant questions about the work and then generate a first position on a list of recommended products for successful delivery. This questionnaire is an online tool within SharePoint, accessible by any staff member with a One London account, and is the repository for PPMPs around the business, but not the document management system for the products sitting within them. Products are stored locally on a chosen document management system, for example LiveLink, and links to the documents will be referenced in the PPMP. The PPMP tool is accessed via the Pathway homepage, via the Start Pathway Product Management Plan Tool command, which will first click through to a landing page with some guidance and support information. This includes a list of TfL Pathway representatives by business area for you to find your local representative for advice and support, and a set of 4 PDF documents describing features of the various screens within the tool. By clicking the Access It Here link at the top, you will be taken through to the Pathway Product Management Plan Tool Launch or Guidance page. We have further clips that will walk you through each page of the tool in turn, but as an overview, there are 3 stages to the production of a PPMP. First of all, creation of the project on the system. Next, filling out the questionnaire with reference to the characteristics of the work proposed. And finally, reviewing and tailoring of the output, involving relevant stakeholders and application of professional judgment. This is done from the product matrix screen. The screen is displaying the PPMP product description. The RACI chart at the bottom shows that the project manager is responsible for the production of the PPMP and the sponsor is accountable for it. They will use the tool to produce their first draft at the very beginning of the work in outcome definition or stage 1 and consult this with the relevant team members and other stakeholders, for example, those listed in the consult column within the RACI chart, to confirm that it accurately reflects what is known about the characteristics of the work, and then to agree on any tailoring decisions. This has been an overview of the Pathway Product Management Plan tool, why it is used, and the basic stages of its use. Please see subsequent clips for more technical information on features of the individual pages within the tool, and for information on using professional judgment to scale the output for your needs. Contact us on TfL Pathway at tfl.gov.uk with any queries, or search for Pathway on Source to access our site, where we have information on the support we provide.